Michael, after studying NBMEs 20 through 30 for step 1, how do you suggest we adjust to long vignettes people characteristically say appear on the step 1 examination after being used to the relatively short vignettes of the NBME? Okay, well, I will answer this question. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Help grow this channel. Share with one of your friends who's prepping for USMLE. Hit the like button. Hit the bell if you want notifications. And find me on Instagram at Melman_medical, MEHLMAN_medical. And the link is down below. Now, let me address the fucking question. So, once again, how do we adjust to the long vignettes people characteristically say appear on the step 1 exam after being used to the relatively short vignettes of NBMEs 20 through 30? My response to this is NBMEs 20 through 30 vignettes are the same as the actual USMLE, okay? Especially 25 through 30. This isn't myth. This isn't speculative. This isn't a debate, okay? The CBSE, the NBME questions, are the actual USMLE. People like to essentially conceive of these notions and ideas of what the exam is like as though it's disparate or distinct from the NBME material that's on the actual USMLE website, okay? So people will walk out of the exam and they say, oh, like, you know, the questions were much longer, much different from the actual NBME. It's not fucking true, okay? The questions are the same. Look, people are going to get percentage fraction of their exam that's on any given subject that might be different. Okay, you could have obs-gyn heavy / repro heavy, and a friend could have cardio or pulm heavy. Those types of things change. But in terms of the vignette length, it's the same as the actual NBMEs. Okay, it's not a debate. We could make an argument as far as the real exam is different in length from, let's say, NBMEs 1 through 5, ancient history and offline, but the real USMLE is going to be the same length, okay? Step 2 vignettes are characteristically longer than step 1 vignettes, but that is substantiated by when you actually do the practice material, the clinical mastery series forms, and the step 2 NBMEs, you'll see that those vignettes correspondingly are also longer. Okay, so I have to reiterate this. People like to perpetuate myths, this notion of what's speculative, okay? As though the real exam is this magical thing that's different from what you're actually studying right now. It's not fucking true, as I said, okay? So just be assured that the real USMLE is going to be the same as the NBMEs that you do. If you assiduously review all the NBME exams, you're going to be less inclined to feel like your actual exam is different. Okay, if you do a cursory review at best of the NBME material and you're overly focusing on, let's say, Q banks, you perhaps could be swayed toward believing the NBME material, or sorry, that the real USMLE felt different from the NBME material you did. Okay? Speculative that people have, speculation, these thoughts, but the real USMLE is just the NBME material for step 1 and step 2. Could be a lengthy discussion. We could go in circles, discuss this point, but it's grandmother myth, okay? I'm going to continue making more content. If you like my stuff, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate your time. That's it.